It's too much money coming in from this method that I'm about to teach you in this video right here. You can make $100 a day sending forum messages. And I'm gonna show you the 5 steps that you'll need to take to make this money. I'm John Crestani, I'm an internet entrepreneur. And in this channel is a little bit different because when you make money, I make money. We make money together. So I only have an incentive to give you the methods that work. And this is a pretty good one. Now, we're gonna go over all these 5 steps and I'm gonna show you how to implement them right here on my computer. I'm gonna implement them with you so you know how to do it every step of the way. Don't be scared because this can work in any country in the world, no matter what age you are. Even if you're one of them darn kids watching this video on your mobile phone in portrait mode, you'll wanna flip it to the landscape mode because I want you to take action and learn this material. #1 money channel on YouTube right here. Let's get it. Okay, now the way this method works is there's 5 steps. First, we're gonna choose a niche, okay? And then we're gonna join some forums. So let's get into step 1 and 2 right here. Now, to choose a niche, you have to think about what you're passionate about. You have to think about what do you want to sell products in, okay? What are you interested in? Is it fishing? Is it camping? Is it girls? Is it picking up girls? Is it being an entrepreneur? Let's say it's being an entrepreneur, all right? And if you are, you would just go to Google and you'd search entrepreneur forums, okay? And there are forums for everything. There are forums for camping, okay? Camping forum. There are forums for picking up girls, okay? Picking up girls forum, PUA forum. There are forums for anime, okay? There are forums for manga, okay? Whatever you want to do, you can find forums for. But I open up this website, which is Entrepreneur Forum. And as you can see, you can find this right here, and you can find a lot of cool stuff right here. One of my favorite forums in entrepreneurship is the Fast Lane, so I'm actually gonna use this forum as an example. But as you see, you can find lots of forums. It's very easy to choose your niche. It's very easy to find lots of forums around what you like to do. And forums, why we're choosing forums. Now you might be scratching your head and thinking, John, why are we looking at forums? What's the beauty of forums to market products in? Well, let me tell you, forums are great because you want to talk to a specific group of people. You want to have something that is an instant rapport builder. Probably not everybody in the world uses camping forums. People are going to send transactional messages selling products or services. On Facebook, you could be anybody. But if you're sending somebody a message on camping forums, it's probably a higher quality message for the people who use it. So you get a lot more ability to have people take whatever messages you send them seriously. It's an instant rapport builder. And also, oftentimes, these forums are very easy ways to send messages and reach people. Facebook will block some affiliate links. You have to use different ways around that. You can check out my Facebook videos for information on how you can get around how to send affiliate links out on Facebook. It's a little difficult. It takes a couple extra steps. Forums are easy places to do that, and you get a targeted selection of people. Hey, John, I'm still trying to figure out how do I actually make money though, like messaging people on forums. There's nobody who will pay me. I'm happy you asked because the people that will pay you are affiliate networks. There are networks out there such as Amazon or Walmart or eBay or all sorts of different networks that will pay you money if you recommend their products or services online. Amazon has one of the biggest affiliate networks around. Scroll to the bottom. We could look it up. I'm not going to take the time to look it up because they pay a pittance. They only pay 5%. We're going to join affiliate networks that focus on digital products. John, why would selling digital products make more sense than selling products on Amazon? That's like real stuff people buy, right? So what's interesting is that the more the traffic source matches the transaction medium, the more money you'll make. And there's a lot of weird reasons to this, but basically, if you're using digital marketing, it's best to sell digital products. It just makes better sense tracking wise, and you can offer higher commissions. 2 affiliate networks I'm gonna recommend you to, come here, I'll show you them. You will make up to 90% commissions from. That's what you wanna focus on. And the 2 affiliate networks that I recommend, you can find the link links in the description. Okay, now in these examples, in this example, you will be selling my product. Why? Because I like making money and I like making others money too. I'm not showing you these methods to be a charitable citizen because I really want to take you under my wing. I want you to make money. I'm going to be very clear, because when you make money, you make 50%. I give you 50% commission. I get the other 50% for teaching you. So we both make money. Now, the first network is called Clickbank. And Clickbank, you can create an account. Clickbank's been around for 20 years, good old Idaho boys. You have to set up a nickname and you click affiliate marketplace, and then you'll go in here and you'll select my name, Crestani, and you'll search and you will find my product, which is the super affiliate system, which you can sell, okay, right there. And you'll click promote to get your link. The next site that I recommend is Digistore. And you will, once again, you'll log in, you'll create an account, log in and go to the marketplace. Digistore is based in Germany somewhere. They do about $250 million a year just in Germany. They recently expanded to the US. You'll go to marketplace, and my product is the #1 product in the US right here, super affiliate system. Now, the differences between the two companies are that in Clickbank, you have 4,000 other products that you can sell if you want, okay? Clickbank has, 3,800 products you can sell, whereas Digistore only has 76. On Clickbank, you get paid weekly through either bank wire or a check sent to your address. Digistore, you get paid weekly through check, bank wire, also PayPal, so that's a big plus. The third difference is that Clickbank really only accepts people from the Americas and Europe, North and South America and Europe, whereas Digistore accepts people literally any country in the world. So if you're from Zimbabwe or Nigeria, you can sign up for Digistore and make money promoting my program. So the first method that you can make money by doing this is you can actually simply just post in the forum, okay? Simply by posting in the forum, and I'll show you how and why this works, because every post allows you to put links in your forum post. It's what's called your signature, and I'll show you how to set up your signature in just a second here. So here I am on a forum I use sometimes called Black Hat World, okay? So this is a marketing forum, and if we scroll down here, we'll see that one thing that you can do in forums is you can set up a signature, okay, to advertise whatever product or service you want. So just by posting in forums and adding value, you could actually have a signature. And so this person said, great share and thanks for the mention. This is, some guy, IG King. And this guy has posted a lot. Look, he's posted 2,500 messages. And who could blame him, right? Because every time you post in a forum, you get free advertising for whatever you have to offer. And in this case, this guy, IG King, has Instagram hacking services, right? Gain followers and make money on Instagram this winter, right? So that's what he advertises. And you can see other people in the forum have their own services around marketing services. So you'll see here's William702 advertising SEO and PBM combo packs, only $100. You can see that there's all this information here, and every time they post, they can advertise their services. Here's another person posting their services. 7 links, first page, and you can click on it and you go to their link, which has their, whatever they're advertising. Now, this is a very easy method. Now, if you're on a camping forum and you're advertising camping services, that's a great way to make money. It's also great if you're on an entrepreneur forum and you're advertising entrepreneurship services or how to be an entrepreneur, how to start an online side business. That's going to be very effective. So join forums like the Fastlane Forum or Retire at 21 or startups.co. Join all of these forums, Quora, Entrepreneur Fix, Startup Nation, and just chat with people and add value, but make sure you set up your signature so that every time you post, your ad is in there. Let me show you another example. Now, the next way to actually get your message out to people using forums is simply to message them, okay? So you just message people on forums. Again, lots of people spend a lot of time on forums, and they're a great way to message people, and it's an instant rapport builder. We'll open and respond to forum messages. So here I am on the Fastlane Forum, another favorite internet forum of mine, based around one of my life-changing books called The Millionaire Fastlane. Really helped me out. And on this, people talk about money. You see the money symbol, how has success changed you? 0 to 240 a year profit. Let's go to one. Okay, I'm not smart enough to sell my services. This person, we can message them, we can mouse over their name, and we can click start conversation. profession. And we can send them a message that says something along the lines of, has anything worked for you? And then we could send them some sort of message. I would recommend you go to the resources tab of johncrestani.com/resource and you check out the section which says profession-based messaging. This is going to be the best area to actually go to get some message templates for how you can message people on forum. And you'll go there and you'll click down here and you can use one of these templates to message people, okay? So let's use the direct message template just to show you what that's like. So we have the direct message template and we have the indirect message template. Now in these templates, before editing, they look like this. I see you are looking to add a little extra income to being a profession. So in this case, since it's the Millionaire Fast Lane, I would say being an entrepreneur, okay? Or I'd say to being an entrepreneur. And you could send that message. Now, I recommend you send generally the indirect message because you won't get spam blocked as much and it'll better qualify people. So I would send this message to him. I would go to this guy. Okay, I saw your, if you'd like to, I could send you the training, let me know. And then I would just click start conversation. Okay, and there we go. And you can send out a ton of these messages. Send out as many messages as you can. Send out 100, send out 1,000, send out 10,000. The more messages you send, the more chances you get for people to respond back. And when people respond back, you post them the link to my free training that you get from Clickbank, okay? Or from Digistore. And again, you send them that free training when they respond and you let them watch it. And if they buy, you make money. You make $500 right there. Check, wire, or PayPal. Go forth and prosper. And I hope you find these methods exciting because I find this exciting and it's very easy to get your message out there. All you have to do is join forums about subjects you're already interested in and send messages in the forum. Post, interact with people. Every time you interact is a chance for your link to get out there. And every time you message somebody, you can message 100 people per hour easily. Did you see how fast I wrote that message? It took me, what, 20 seconds? So if you really went at it hard, you could probably send 200 messages an hour using this method. That's insane. And once you get good at it, you just keep going, and eventually you'll get that $100 a day, okay? Treat it like a job. Your job is to just market and it's to make money. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. This takes work, people. This takes work, folks. But you can make it happen. But you have to have fun with it and you have to realize it's a process. Now, some forums, you use too many direct messages with your links. They may say you're sending out too many messages per hour. There may be different limits for every different forum. Some forums may not allow you to put your signature in a post until you've posted 100 messages in the forum. Post 100 messages in the forum. Do whatever you need to do, but every forum is going to have somewhat different criteria, okay? So learn the criteria and figure it out. That's your job, and you'll find your own little corner of the internet that you can monetize over and over and over and over again. Have fun and like, subscribe, and comment. And let me know in the comments, did I go too fast? Did I go too slow? Or was the pacing just right? I want to make sure so I can cater these videos to you so that we can start all making money together, because I don't make any money if you don't make any money. Let's make some.